Christ. What are you not saying? Yeah, you're caught me laughing, Christ.
I think we got it. I think we might have got it.
Well, you were quick on the draw.
Were you standing up just now?
Yes, she was.
Were you standing up on your own?
For the second time in Auntie Louise's house. Mm-hmm. Standing up like a big girl. Star! She sees a star. Star!
What do you see, Kate? Roshi? Where did I get Kate from now?
Where's the star?
Uh-oh.
Where's the star? Show, look, Shane, where's the star? Look. No, I'll take that. Show Auntie Louise, where's the star?
Show Auntie Louise a star.
Where's the star? Look. There's the star. Where's the star? Star. Star. Star, darling.
Oh, gee.
Oh, she's got the hiccups because we made her laugh.
Made her laugh too much.
Time for bed, Auntie Louise. Time for bed. Here we go again. Oh, Do you want to lean on my knee? Go now. This is what she does in that. Look at the dirt in my trousers with you and milk chocolate buttons. Ooh, good girl. What you doing? What is it? What is it? Gonna do it again? Good girl. Ah, she's
She's too
leaning on
clever.
me.
Oh, jeepers. Too clever.
She's all chocolate.
Where's your funny eyes?
Star. Where's a star? Star.
Where's your funny face? Look. What do you see? What do you see who that girl is?
What? You've been recording me. And
Who's that girl there? Who is it?
Roshi.
Who can you see? Who can you see? Who is it?
Say Louise. 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 She looks like a little glober, don't you?
She's away, Daddy.
You tired?
Oh, yeah.
You tired?
Oh, yeah. I'm a little bit tired.
Oh, she said I'm exhausted.
You going down again?
Coming up again.
Up again.
Up again, Auntie Louise. She's getting tired
Yeah,
now.
she's getting tired.
Way past your bedtime, isn't it?